TryAdaptLearn. In this video, we will try to change the engine and transmission oil in a Harley-Davidson Sportster. We will begin by removing the engine oil tank drain hose from the bracket. Next, we will loosen the clamp wrapped around the engine oil tank drain hose. This will allow us to pull the plastic plug from the drain hose. The drain hose will empty engine oil from the oil tank. Once the engine oil is drained, we'll remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Before installing the new filter, we'll lubricate the gasket with new oil. At this point, some people prime the oil filter material by putting some new oil into the oil filter. I will skip this step because the oil filter is mounted at 90 degrees. I'll then install the new oil filter by hand tightening it. We will now insert the plug back into the drain hose and retighten the clamp around the hose. We will now remount the drain hose around the bracket. Harley-Davidson specifies SAE 20W50 engine oil with this oil tank at 2.8 quarts or 2.65 liter capacity. Harley dealerships sell their own brand of conventional and synthetic oil. For this application, I am using Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 20W50 V-Twin. The engine oil is separated from the transmission, also known as the primary chain case. We will begin to drain the transmission, also known as the primary chain case, by removing the drain plug located at the bottom of the case. Next, we will remove the mid-foot control or rider foot control. This will allow access to the clutch inspection cover, also known as the primary chain case cover or derby cover. Now remove screws to the clutch inspection cover, again also known as a primary chain case cover or the derby cover. This cover does have a spring behind it, so be prepared to gather all hardware with removal of the last screw. Next, we will reinstall the primary chain case drain plug. The torque value is 14 to 30 foot-pounds. I have set my torque wrench to 25 foot-pounds. The transmission or primary chain case oil should be above the lowest teeth or the lowest edge that is reflecting light in this view. The primary chain case has an oil capacity of 1 quart or 946 milliliters. For this application, I am again using Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 20W50 V-Twin. Although the oil capacity is specified at 1 quart, it may take less than 1 quart to get above the lowest teeth or the lowest edge right above the teeth. Reinstall the clutch adjusting screw with spring before the primary inspection cover, again also known as primary chain case cover. The screws for the cover should be started by hand, then later torqued with the torque wrench in a star pattern. The torque specification for the clutch inspection cover screws is 84 to 108 inch-pounds. I have set my torque wrench to 100 inch-pounds. To complete the process, I will reinstall the mid-foot controls, also known as rider foot controls mid-mount. I will start the fasteners for the footrest support brackets by hand and later finish with a torque wrench. The torque specification is 45 to 50 foot-pounds. I will set my torque wrench to 50 foot-pounds. Hey, thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.